it's me, Poppy.
And me, Sawyer.
And we're the Mess Makers! Today, I'm going to be making an Oreo mug cake. Okay, to start, we have 4 Oreos here. And we're going to put it in the mug. There's the Oreos. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of milk. And we're going to smash it. This might take a while, so we're going to come back when I'm done. Okay, so I mixed it, and this is what it should look like. It should be still a little clumpy, so the Oreos are in there. So the next step is to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This one. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of flour. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Now we're gonna mix it up until it looks brown again. Sorry. Okay, he's gone. I was gonna ask him what he thought this would taste like, but... Okay, how do you think this is gonna turn out?
I don't know.
Think it'll be good?
No.
You don't think it'll be good? I think it'll be good. Alright, so I mixed it all up, and this is what it should look like after you mixed it all up. Now, after you do that, you're going to take 1 more Oreo and place it in there so it's all the way below the mixture. Is that what I should call it? I don't even know.
Mixture.
All right, now we're going to take it over to the microwave.
And put it inside of there.
Put it inside. And we're going to set it for 1 minute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Okay, we're going to take it out. And let's go take it back to where we were. Cooking. Here's a spoon we can use. Alright, so this is what it'll look like when you're done cooking it.
Ooh.
Very cool, isn't it? Okay, let's try it. It might be pretty hot, so.
I like it.
I like it. It's hot. Oh, really hot, though. I would wait a good, like 3 minutes after you cook it. It's really hot. Alright, so how'd you like it?
Not that much. I'd rather have plain Oreos.
I like it. I think it's definitely worth it. I liked it a lot. I think
It's really easy, like after school.
Yeah, I agree. Very easy after school snack. Alright, but before you go, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye! Okay, I mixed it, and this is what it should like after you... And this is what it should like after... I did it again! Okay, so did you...